Eat only raw food.
Nothing but plant-based
Eat
foods.
high fat.
Eat low fat.
Eat 6 meals a day.
Take a deep breath and hold it. Right now, you hold in your lungs the secret to sustainable weight loss. You could breathe out now. This is Lumen, the first device for hacking your metabolism. With just one breath, Lumen tells you what you're currently burning for energy, carbs, or body fat. So you can see what's going on with your metabolism in real time and what to do about it. Breathe in the morning to get a personalized nutrition plan for the day. One that's based on your personal goals and adaptable to your eating habits. Breathe before a meal to see how the last one affected you and get recommendations to keep your body on track. Breathe to see if you have enough energy for your workout or if you should fuel up. Lumen doesn't just tell you what to do. It gives you the whys behind it all. Why your weight might be fluctuating, why you feel low on energy, why your body is storing carbs. Because the truth is, you have a different metabolism than me, than him, than her. Which is why Lumen is more than a diet. It's nutrition designed for you. And all you have to do is breathe. Sound like magic? It's actually science. The concentration of the various gases in your breath tells us what your cells are burning for fuel. Like CO2. Burning fuel from carbs releases more CO2 than burning body fat. Well, this science isn't new. It's been helping world-class athletes reach peak levels of fitness for years.
What we think we're doing and what's actually happening in our bodies can be very different things. Lumen is like a tool for actually giving you that ability to understand and sense what's going on in your body. That's like a superpower.
Anyway, Lumen measures your breath, does some math, and sends expert advice straight to your smartphone. Lumen is your lifestyle life coach, your metabolic meal planner, your nightstand nutritionist, your daily dietitian, your sleep scientist, your workout whisperer, your holistic health handheld. Simply speaking, a sustainable solution to a healthier new you.
We spent the last 4 years validating Lumen's technology in clinical trials, universities, and top hospitals around the world. And we've been helping hundreds of beta users make a sustainable change in their lives.
I've been able to lose 15 pounds with Lumen, which is amazing. It's crazy. I use it like I use a scale these days.
There's this awe aspect of it. Like, how can this little thing, doesn't even weigh much, actually measure my metabolism just in my breath?
Within a day, I'm gonna see Lumen's direct impact based off of what I've eaten.
Now we're excited to bring Lumen to you. So back us today and start hacking your metabolism.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Made.
You might remember us from the first Made campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Made. Made X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Made to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Made is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Made X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. high-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
Hey Siri, call Jane Smith. Hey, how's it going? I'm good, good.
Introducing K&Z SoundFlux True Wireless Dual Driver Headphones. With the unique dual driver audio system, SoundFlux headphones are consistent and perform extraordinarily well with an ultra-dynamic range. With crisp highs, detailed mid-range, and unforgettable bass, SoundFlux defines the new standard of quality. Its SoundPass feature, when enabled, allows you to engage with the environment without pausing your music. The truly wireless form factor provides not only stereo music, but also stereo phone calls. SoundFlux headphones' contemporary design makes it comfortable and secure for every ear. The headphones come in a rechargeable case that extends music playback over 24 hours.
My name is Brendan Phillips Taylor. I am a producer, musician, pianist, and drummer.
I'm Michael Lewis, and I am the artistic director of the Atlanta Wind Project.
My name is Harry. I've been playing music since around 6th grade.
My initial response, these headphones are comfortable. When I think about like even Apple AirPods or Beats in ears, after a while I have to take them out because they hurt my ears.
As a conductor, I'm really looking for balance. So I really need to find a headphone that can properly display the treble very well and the mid. Wow, these are truly some amazing headphones that I had the chance to listen to. I've never seen such a pair of headphones that had such a clear, prominent balance between all registers.
You want bass to be there, and we live in a bass society. What I do love about these is that I can still feel the bass. I don't feel like the bass is compromised.
These earphones are different from the past ones I've used. I feel like these have a much more natural sound. It's not forced. Headphones I've used in the past still have way too much bass or not enough at all. This one kind of has an even distribution of everything.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a call now, and it's gonna be in both ears. Wow, okay. Like, you really sound like you're in my head. When I talk, I hear myself, I hear you. My music is still playing.
It's really, really clear. Definitely different from different headphones because I feel like the voice is all around 360 surround sound. These headphones SoundPass feature is pretty cool. I would definitely use this feature, especially being in the gym. You don't have to keep taking your headphones out if you want to talk to your friend. Pretty weird being able to listen to yourself and other people. It's not just other people, you can hear yourself talk too. So I think that's definitely really cool.
So typically when I leave the house, I do this 1, 2, 3 pat, which is phone, keys, wallet, to make sure I have everything I need. I feel like now I have to do a 1, 2, 3, 4 pat, which would be my phone, my keys, my wallet, and my dual driver true wireless headphones.